Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing with my first subscription of NailBoxy. So this card right here that I'm showing you tells you 5 ways of how you can use the Kiara Sky No White top coat, and you also get a 10% off their website on the entire purchase. If you want to decide to purchase anything, I will leave all the links down below so you guys can go to their website. Also, here is another coupon for the clear jelly stamper. You get 20% off on the entire order, and you can use the promo code. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started with this. Oh, I'm so excited. My first NailBoxy. So excited. Alright, so I'm going to open this up and so right here you get 3 neon heart decal mix. There was random colors. As you can see, I got a pink, a green, and an orange, along with the Kiara Sky No White top coat. These are so cute. These are so gorgeous. Look at this. And they're heart shapes. Kind of show you what it looks like. Sorry for tapping on that so hard. I was trying to get the parts that was stuck to the top to go back down into where the rest of them was, but it seemed like I was like tapping so hard. And yeah, and here is the orange. It's so gorgeous. And then here is the Kiara Sky No White non-wipe top coat. And I'm going to open it up so you guys can see how the brush looks. It's pretty thick. I like when the brushes are thick like that. The consistency is pretty thick. It doesn't feel like it's runny. Well, it doesn't look like it's runny. Alright, and the next one that I'm pulling out is the Swarovskis. I hope I'm saying that right, but there's 5 crystals. And you also get a 5-piece floral nail art brush kit. I needed some nail art brushes, and it's not actually a kit, it's actually a set. So I actually did need some nail art brushes, so when I start doing my nail art, so this came right on time. These are so cute. I love the floral. The next item I'm going to pick up is this right here is a red Iguana stamping paint gel. I got the color black. I think they came in either black, silver, or white, so I got the black one. I never did stamping before, but hey, it's always a first for everything, so I can't wait to get me a stamping plate so that way I can kind of play with this as well. And as I said before, the color is black. Doesn't have a smell to it, so that's a good thing. I was trying to show you the consistency of it. It's pretty thin. It's not too thick. And also you get the Big Bling Extra Large Stamper with a custom NailBoxy scraper, and you get an extra jelly on the inside with it, and then you also has this cute bling a bling at the bottom. It's so cute. I think this is really cute. And here's the extra jelly that you get. I think that was pretty cool that they give you an extra one. I think this is really cute. The jelly feels funny to me. That's why I kept pressing it, because it feels funny. I don't know. I can't explain it, but yeah. And there's the bling bling. See the bling a bling at the bottom. I think that is so cute. That's too cute. And next you get another red Iguana product. This is called the Thermo Liquid. This will look dope on nails. When you touch it, it goes by the warmth of your finger, and it changes like to a different color. It doesn't, the consistency is pretty thick. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. It's like just right. And what you do, you just brush it on the nail, and it doesn't have any kind of scent or anything. And this next product, last but not least, is a red Igana. I don't know if I'm saying the name right, but the name of it is on this white nail art paint palette. And this is cute. Don't know when I will get some paint, but when I do get some paint, you know, it's good for your girl to have. So when I start doing, you know, paints and stuff, I think this is pretty cool. So these are all the products that I got in my first NailBoxy. Let me know if you'd like to see more unboxing from NailBoxy, and I hope you guys enjoyed this videos, and I will see you in my next one. Toodles!